Hey, what is up? Oh my god, I'm so dead. Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is HEYA, also known as AKA. And today is a very exciting video. We are moving house. I apologize, I look absolutely horrific right now. And everyone's asleep, which is why I'm whispering. But I'm about to start my day. I'm about to get in the shower, have the last shower in this apartment, and make some breakfast, have my last breakfast in this apartment, and start getting stuff organized. We are going to go walk and get a coffee, me and one of my flatmates, and then we are going to start moving everything. It's like 8:30 right now, and my flatmate's cousin is coming with his car at 10 to start moving stuff to the new place. So excited. I can't wait. We are just going to drop off some clothes because we did a little clean out. Just a bit of stuff in this little bin that we have over here. Okay, so everything is out, everything is clean. I'm going to just give you a little walkthrough so you can see what the old apartment looked like. So, this is our little door. As you first walk in, it's super freaking noisy. And then, literally as you walk in the door, the kitchen is right here. It's kind of little, but it's good for London. We've just got the oven, dishwasher, washing machine, everything like that in there. So nothing too special about the kitchen. Fridge and whatever. But when we turn around, we have this thing, and this is super cool. So this is a garbage chute, gross, and they just come and collect it, so we don't have to take the garbage anywhere. So anyway, kitchen's there. Turn left. I'm not going to show all of this stuff because that's like kind of personal stuff of theirs. We're just hanging some stuff out. This is our bathroom, which is super nice. Literally so many mirrors. Hi. And then we just mopped it. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. Super nice, bath and shower. And then we turn in, this was mine and Will's bedroom. So super spacious. These cupboards are massive, and there's like heaps of room up the top, little mirror here. So yeah, and then this is our view out the window. I'll show you. How nice is that? We usually kept the windows shut though because it's just a little bit invasive, there's so many people. And then we walk out, bathroom's on the left there, kitchen's on the left there. Walk down the hallway, and then this was the other room, our flatmate's room. So you had some mirrored wardrobes there. Yeah, just a nice room. This was the view from his window. So we look straight out into that beautiful autumn tree there. And then into the next room is our living area. So nice big windows, table, TV, couch. The couch is actually really nice. And yeah, this is the view out of that window. So saying goodbye to this house today, which is a bit sad, but better things coming, and the new place is so much nicer. So we're gonna go to a Tesco shop now. I'll take you along, and then we will start unpacking. Let's go. So I can't can't remember if I mentioned this yet, but yesterday I was running to listen to Boris's announcement and was jumping over bags in the hallway at the old place and smashed my knee into the wall. Like I really smacked it. It like made that, you know, ass smack sound. And yeah, it's in a lot of pain because we've been like carting stuff around all day, walking to and from the new place. And here, sorry, this is the new place and the old place. And I'm in a lot of pain, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna try and unpack some of this shit. Okay, what is up? Welcome. I am a bit of a mess right now. We've just walked through the rain. I banged my knee on a wall in our apartment when I was running to hear Boris's bloody announcement, because now there's gonna be another lockdown from Thursday. Anyway, in other news, so I'm in a bit of pain, but it's okay, we're gonna persevere. We brought some stuff in, so I'm super happy. I'm standing by the door to our apartment, so I'm inside right now, so I'm just literally gonna turn around and just give you a little walkthrough. I really hope you enjoy. I'm obsessed with it. A little bit more expenny than our last apartment, but it's so much nicer. So I'm gonna turn you around. So obviously right here we have our door. So I've just walked straight in the apartment. We have these stairs that go down with some beautiful lights along there just to keep us illuminated in the night time. A little bit of a creak, but that's okay. And we go straight up here. Now I'm gonna go in here first. This is just a little storage closet. We have one of those cute little vacuums that I've literally never seen anybody own before. I thought they were not real, but yes, we have one. So we have a little storage closet. I might even use this honestly for some clothes or something. I'm not really sure yet. Next we have mine and my partner's bedroom. So there's just like a little step up here, which is so nice. And carpet. I don't really like carpet, but I'm really happy that the rest of the apartment is wooden floors. So carpet. So we step up into the room and straight away, hola, hello, we have an ensuite. So this is our ensuite. It's beautiful. Some cupboards there, the sink, another little mirror there. And we have our little shower. It's actually quite little, but you know, there's space to like put our stuff there, and it's super modern, really nice. The toilet, and then a little towel rack, so beautiful. So yeah, this is just our ensuite, Will and I's ensuite. Then you keep going into the room, and obviously we have these beautiful big doors. The first thing that you see, I'm obsessed. These are gonna be so good for filming, and also they can open up. I'll show you that in a sec. If I pan around to the right here, you'll see we have the little heater, and we have these bedside table lights, which is so nice, and then heaps of PowerPoint, so good. Our bed, and then we have a cupboard here. So this one is just like a wardrobe cupboard. So some space at the top, some space down the bottom. We also have another one over here. So yeah, our bed, bedside tables, everything is so nice and modern. I love it. Another thing there, we also have these set of drawers, which is so good. And then a TV, hello. A TV as well. But yeah, look, this opens up. I'm obsessed with this. Look at that. Anyway, that opens up, which is so nice. But yes, this is our room. Another little cupboard there. I am absolutely obsessed with it. I think this is so nice. And yeah, let's move on. So if we head out of our bedroom and our little ensuite that's on the right there, the storage closet there, we just turn right around to the left. This is my flatmate's bedroom, but I'll show you anyway because it's empty. And then, oops, this is, frick, where's the light? Freckle. This is the sort of main bathroom, so we can kind of use this one too, kind of, but like here's the bathroom. We can use the bath obviously because we don't have one. But yeah, so this is the second bathroom, has a much bigger sink, much nicer mirror, but I don't think this opens up like the other one. Oh, it does. Stop it. Anyway, so our flatmate gets a nice big mirror as well. The bath is super nice, and shower there obviously as well. And there's a window so we can open up to get some good ventilation. Toilet as per usual, you need that in there. And then if we head out and head into his room, so this is his room. So there's a nice big mirror here, drawers and everything, another little TV, little mirror, which is nice. His bed, which looks like I think the same bed frame as ours, and then another little wardrobe with a mirror on it, and a little shelf up there too, which is really nice. We won't dwell in here for too long because this is his room, not ours. Yeah, back out into the hallway, we head back up. So obviously this is the main door we came in. There's these cool, like, I don't know, are these 70s like hooks? back up the stairs, and oh my god, you guys, this is the living room. Okay, so this is our little kitchen here. So beautiful. Our big windows, oh my gosh, look at these lights, you guys. And just the colors in here I think are really nice. The couches are a bit dull, but it's okay. And then this is our living area. I think this is so nice. I absolutely love it. Here is out on the street. And yeah, I'm just absolutely obsessed with this apartment, you guys. In here we have our washer. We also have a freezer unit in there, and then I think the fridge. Yeah, the fridge is in here, so it's cool because everything looks like a cupboard when it's not. And then we just have more storage space, and yeah, just that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I'm going to show you. I'm going to be filming so many videos in here, you just wait. But yeah, how beautiful. Okay, I think we're gonna leave it there because I have so much to do with this big boy. And my mic is broken, so I don't even know if you can hear me. So if the camera wants to focus, I would probably like to do like an updated tour. Oh my god, what is going on? We're just gonna do this because the camera isn't cooperating right now. I'll probably do an updated tour once everything's in, because as you can see right now we are not done. There is lots to do, so I will update you once everything is in. But I really hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.